Hi, I am Mita Naya and today is Saturday and the date is 2nd October and I will tell about some domestic animals, how they help us and etc. And there is lots of domestic animals and some people also like to pet and some people also have a pet dog, pet cat, etc. and they are also domestic animal. They are also domestic animal, and there is a domestic animal cow. Cow is also a domestic animal, and in village area, especially in rural area, everybody has a cow, and some people also do worship to the cow, and everybody those people in the Hindu religion, everybody worship the cow as a god, and it's it is a domestic animal, and everybody means most of the people have this domestic animal in their home, especially in a rural area, village area, and cow gives us milk, and from this milk we can get different types of sweets, and we also get curd, paneer, etc. And I also like to eat sweets, paneer, etc. And this food is really very well food, delicious food, and most of the people like to eat it, and I also like to eat it, and it is a animal, domestic animal, and there also is a domestic animal like cat, dog. Most of the people like to have pet dog, pet cat, and some people also have pet dog or pet cat, and I also have a pet dog. No, it's not pet dog. He stay in our locality, but and he is really very sweet, and he is very sensible also. He can understand our word when sometime he stay in our locality, and he also has a name, and everybody call him by his name, and he is a very famous dog in our locality. Everybody know her, sorry, everybody know him, and he is really very sensible. If he see any unknown person in our locality to whom he don't know, or he did not see them before, then he will bark, and he is the gateman. You can say that he is the gateman of our locality. He every day he will sleep, but at night he will not sleep. He will wander around, and he will stay actually at night, he stay active, and sometime at night he also bark, and then we wake up, and most of the time it happened. Once a thief came in our locality, but and it was not night, it was at evening, like 7 p.m. or 8:30 p.m. And he was sleeping, and he was sleeping in front of our gate, means in front of our gate, and somehow he saw some, he could saw this unknown person, who are wanting to means, to actually when he see any person in darkness, then he cannot recognize him or her. So he saw him in darkness, and he could not recognize that who is he. Is he our locality, means is he our he stay in our locality, etc. But he could not recognize him, so that's why he was barking, and we were scolding him, but Still he was barking continuously. Then we went outside. Then we could know that thief came in our locality. So that's why he was barking. So he is really very active, and he always stay very active. If anybody call by her or by his name, then he will definitely come. And he is very sensible also. He could understand that um, he could understand something. If I call him for giving some food, then he can understand it, that yes, I am calling him for giving food. But if I call him intentionally or irritate him, and I also yes, I also did it sometime for irritating him. And he could understand that if anybody call him for irritating him, then he could understand, he will not come so easily. So he's really very sensible. And sometime I also tried to disturb him, and I call him intentionally, but he does not want to come. He don't want to come. He stay in one place. But if I call him for giving some food or for eating, then he can understand it properly, and he come. And he can understand the sound of our gate. If anybody open the gate, then he can understand it. Mm, and he know it very well, that when anybody will give food to him. And as the rule, when we open the door, and he gets sound of the door, and then he get alert that someone is coming for giving food to me, he can understand it very well. Then he come and wait for taking food. At first he do some activities, like at first, suppose he is sleeping and you are calling him for eating food. He will not come. He will at first he will try to understand that why you are calling him for giving food, or otherwise intentionally. At first he active his ears, 2 years, and he active at first. Then you call him again, then he will move his tail. And after that, if you call him, then he will see you. At first he will see you for once. And if he see that you have any food, or you have any plate on your hand, then he will come slowly slowly. Or if he, after doing these activities, if he don't see any food in your hand, or if he don't see any plate of food in your hand, then he will not come. He will fall asleep again. And uh, and these types of activities he always do during it, as especially when he sleep then. Otherwise, when he sits, suppose he's sit now one place, and he's seeing that someone is coming towards him, then he stayed alert. And he like to eat biscuit every time he come in our home and want to eat biscuit. This biscuit is really very favorite food to him. And he don't like to eat veg. If you give him any vegetarian food, then he will just smell. He will take the smell of this food, and after that he will never look at food, means he will not take this food. He will means he don't like to eat veg food. Once recently happened one incident with me. My mother was eating bread, and he was sleeping, and I went to the outside. And he was looking at me. Um, and and then my mother told me for giving some bread to him. So I took some bread and give it to him. At first he thought that I'm giving some food which is his favorite, like biscuits, etc. Most of the time we give biscuit. So he somehow he thought that I will give biscuit. So he get very excited. He get very alert, active for eating food. But when I came to him and give bread, then he was looking at me with innocent face, means um, he is wanting to say that he was wanting to say that what is it, means he expected one thing and I gave him another thing. And after that, he did not eat. He just looked at the food, at the bread, and moved his face. And I was calling him for once or two times, three times for eating this food, but he did not give any reply to me. But after that, and I really I loved to see his condition, means to see his situation, means he really got surprised. During this time he thought that I will give some biscuit to him, but he could not think that I will give bread, and he don't like to eat bread any in it's very bad food to him. And when he stayed very hungry, means when he can understand that there has no way, I will not get, when he could understand, can understand that I will not get any food without this bread, then he eat. But when he know and he can understand it very well, that we can understand the situation, when he can understand that no, I will get any another food from her, then then he will not eat this bread. After that I give two biscuit. I Then after that I took two biscuit and I was going towards him, and then he had no excitement. At first he had excitement for giving, for having food, but when I took biscuits, then he did not have any excitement. But when I gave this biscuit in front of him, then he really got very happy, feel very happy, and he ate it with happy mind. And he always sleep in front of our gate. Some And if you call him, then he will definitely come. If he stay out of locality, sometime he go for wander out of locality, but he will definitely come back in this locality. It's her home, it's her house, and all neighbors is his neighbors also, and everybody know him. When anybody call him by his name, then he will stay present in this place. And he also liked it chicken. It's her his favorite food. He don't he like to eat fish, but not like chicken. It's chicken. If you give bone of chicken, or if you give rice with chicken curry, then he really get very happy. He will eat every food very properly, and he also gets satisfied. And when we go any invitation, any ceremony or any place, then if we get any bone of chicken, or when we waste any food, then we think about him. If we stay at home, then we can give it to him and he can eat with happy mind. And he is really very good dog. And he is staying in this locality from his born, means then maybe he was 3 or 4 month. And lots of dog came in our locality, and they also returned another locality. But this dog came in this locality from in his childhood, means he did not go anywhere. Mm, if he stayed missing for some days, then he will return in his own house again. And he also stayed absent, means he was missing for some days. We were calling him for eating, for giving food, but we could not find him. But after some days, like 7 days or some 4 5 days, he came back in this locality again. And sometime when he go in another locality, then he do quarrel with another dog of another locality, or if any unknown dog, he is really very sensitive, because if any unknown, not just unknown person, if any unknown dog come in our locality, especially in his territory, if any unknown dog came in his territory, then he will not spare him. He is very timid. He will bark, but he will not give up. He will get fear, but he will start to bark, means he will not go in front of this dog, but he will stay far from him, from her, but he will try to fight with him. Means um, he will try to get him or her out from his territory. He is very possessive about his place, means about his territory especially. And and sometimes it also happen that we give some food to him. Any cat came and eat his food, then he will not spare. He will start quarrel with this cat. Sometime it also happen that we give some food, give some, it happen, always happen. Once we give food to him, but he was not satisfied for eating this food, means it was not her favorite food. He did not eat, and he did not give anyone to eat, means any cat. If anybody was coming in front of this food, then he was barking, means he was um and he was not giving allow, means he was not allowing the cat to eat his food. So he is really very positive about her, about his territory, about his place, etc. And he is very timid also. When any leaves of a tree move, then he get afraid and he start to bark. Especially this happen during night, at night. At night this happen all time. When if he see any shadow of anyone, he's seeing any shadow, but he cannot see the, specific person, then he will start to bark. And if you move your hand or move anything in front of him, then he will start to bark. Means especially these types of things happen at night, when he and he is very timid, because if anybody chase him, then he will bark, but he don't have this fearness that he will chase him or her again. Means he will always he always want to stay far and try to fight with him or her. And he is my really favorite dog. Means I'm seeing him from my younger age, so younger age. Then maybe I was reading class 4 or class 5. And recently he was not well, means he was little ill. He caught cold. When he fall sick, then he don't want to eat. Means if you give biscuit, means it also happened few days ago. uh, biscuit is his favorite food, but we were giving biscuit, but he was rejecting it. Means he was not wanting to eat biscuit. He has illness, another illness. He don't want to he was not wanting to eat anything. Rice is he was not wanting to eat rice. He was not wanting to eat biscuits. So why he will eat rice? Lots of, recently we had there were lots of dog in my locality. And everybody some dog went in another locality. And yes, we got two puppies in our locality. Unfortunately they died in some fever, maybe some fever, or in some health disease. And this puppy was really very cute. One was girl and one was boy. And these they were really very sweet. um, And I also gave biscuit to him and her. They were two sister and brother, and they also had mother. Um, and some neighbors also, when they fall sick, then my some neighbors brought them to the hospital, so to doctor chamber, and doctor gave some medicine to them. Gave some medicine to them, but unfortunately they died. Recently happened it, before 1 month or 2 month, before 2 month. And lots of dog, different types of dog came in our locality. Some dog died, some dog went in another locality, but this dog, he stay here permanently. Still he don't want to go anywhere, he just stay here. Which food he get from here, he stay happily. Sometime when she gets sick, then everybody pampered him also. Which he want to eat, everybody try to give it to him. And he also get afraid to see water. Once I give biscuit to him, and I also give water, bowl of water to him, and he got afraid. He thought that I will throw water towards him, but he could not understand it that I am giving water to him for drinking. And he just ate this biscuit and he escaped from this place. Means he got really very afraid, and he really, every dog get afraid to see water. During summer season, he also like to stay in a cool place, in shadow under the tree, or in a safe place. And I also, there were there is some place, empty place beside my home. And in this place, he sleep with happy mind, means he sleep well. He is really very sensitive dog. And if anybody scold him, then he can understand it well. If somehow at night, especially it happen at night when when he bark, some people scold him for silent, first stay silent, and he get stop, means he don't bark again. He start to bark slowly, but he stop. He don't stay with us in our home, but he is well dog, means everybody, he is the dog of everyone. And he always stay awake at night. Some he sleep, but stay active. If you move beside him silently, then he can understand the sound of food also. And he is really very well dog, and favorite, my favorite dog also. And recently, and a lots of cat stay in our locality, but recently I had pet cat, means it's not pet, means he stayed in another's, and in anyone's house. But sometimes she came in my home for eating food. And she liked to eat milk and rice. It was her favorite food. And most of the time, especially during evening, she came in my home, and I gave milk and rice to her. And after eating, he come back at her own place. And after that, sometime she also came at morning, and then I just give milk. Sometime he sleep, sometime I give allow to come in my home. And sometime he she selected her own place where she will sleep. And he selected her place, and she slept silently in her place for some time. And but she has a bad habit. She scratched on his she scratched everyone. try to scratch everyone if you disturb her, and it's really her bad habit. So that's why now my parents, especially my mother, don't allow her for coming inside. Um, it's really her very bad habit, and for one or two times she's hitted me with her nail lightly. Maybe she did not want to harm me, but somehow it happened. And I sometimes she come now also, but I also don't give allow to come inside. She stay outside, and give her food outside. She eat, and they are my pet, the dog, pet, cat.